Alright, here's the algae fuel cell. This is actually the first experiment. This is only the first version using a salt bridge. The next version will be much better because it will exchange both oxygen and carbon. CO2, excuse me. Because as the algae respirates, it will produce oxygen, which the anaerobic bacteria needs here over on this side. And this side will produce CO2, which this side needs. So it will promote an exchange between a semi-permeable membrane. And basically this is kind of a temporary setup, but it is all parallel. Okay, got these sides soldered. These sides I really couldn't solder, so I was kind of pressure fit them in. Okay, and I did solder on some wire pegs. Okay, and we have a boost converter that brings the 1 volt up to 4.8. You can see the lights on there. We're going to plug in there you go. Okay, let's plug in right there, and let's put our shelf on there. Okay, just a normal iPhone. I think it's a 7.
You need that, Daddy?
No, you don't need that.
I need...
No, you don't need the phone right now.
You can plug it over there.
I could. I'm trying to show it can charge. Okay.
No, Daddy.
So, stop.
Can I have it?
Okay, and boom, it is charging. And, alright. Still got power on that. So it's still going.
What?
And I don't know exactly how long these will last. I really don't know, but I don't have a way of doing a time lapse. I've never really done that before. For these to continually make power, because it will happen is this will gradually go down. What will happen is it'll eventually, the voltage will drop to where it won't charge anymore. But as long as we still have the nutrients passing back and forth that they need, you need oxygen coming over here, you need CO2 coming to this side. As long as that continues to happen, and you have to pump out the algae, it can be slow, but you have to pump out the algae into a container that is clear so it can collect sunlight. Over here, it needs to be pumped out so it can collect wastewater, which is where it gets its nitrates, okay? What it lives off of, its food, and it will continue to respirate, okay? So that's how it works. This is a proof of concept type thing where I didn't really have the funds to get a permeable membrane made of cellophane that would allow those two to exchange. So I had to kind of just make a salt bridge from this is microfiber. The first version I made was gel and actually worked a little bit better. It produced more voltage, but the gel eventually liquefied outside in this heat, so I had to use something that wouldn't liquefy. But a cell membrane won't do that. Doesn't matter the temperature, it can actually handle high pressures and stuff like that. So also the bacterial side of this needs to have no light and actually no access to air when it's connected. And this side is opposite, it actually needs air, okay, so a little bit, just so it can aerate, and some sunlight. And then when it passes through these cells, which will be pumped through in a parallel fashion, okay, and then back into the reservoirs, it will continue to make the power. And the kid's already playing a video game on it. But let's see how we're at on... get off this game.
I love that one.
I know you love this game. Okay, show it's still charging.
Yeah.
There we go. Still charging. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go and conclude this video. This is a proof of concept. It's basic. It's not the full 24 cell version I was going to do because I took some time and I messed up. I was actually starting to do the plumbing. I drilled the holes, and when I drilled the holes, they were a little off, kind of like that, when the I was supposed to be getting the pipes through, and that would have made the cells kind of up and down, high and low, and stuff like that, and I was really upset about it. But this still proves that it works. So if you do this at home, I used API's nitrifying bacteria to start a culture for the wastewater. Okay, that's the side on here, which is it grows on the zinc electrode. And the longer you let these sit and cultivate and move, you actually get more voltage and more milliamp hours out of the same fluid, because they will develop, a higher colonization of microbacteria and microalgae. I'm going to conclude this video because the kids like to play video games now.